Hey everyone, here to show you today our Rocket 3.0. This little gadget is one of the first products that Jason and Mike, Origaudio's co-founders, ever debuted on Shark Tank back in 2011. Now, it might not look like this does much, but really, it's super awesome. You can connect it to any hollow object and it creates a speaker. So all you have to do is plug one end into your phone, iPod, anything that plays music really, and then as you can see, when I click play, you can't really hear anything. But what's super cool is that when you connect this sticky end to the box, you get a speaker. So how this works is the bigger the hollow object that you connect it to, you're going to get a bigger, louder speaker. And also that you can connect multiple rockets together to create a huge surround sound speaker. So we've actually heard of people connecting a bunch of rockets together and turning their whole entire garage into a speaker. So the bigger the hollow object, the bigger the sound. They're super fun. They make a really great gift, and you should pick one up today.